Hey everyone, this is Mrs. Trapp, your Fine Art A instructor, and I see that you may have some work that you need to catch up on before making it to the unit test, which is due this coming Friday. So if you're a little bit behind and you're wondering, what's the best way to go about catching up in fine art, I am going to show you in this short video. So when you come into fine art, your course should look like this. And I'm sure you are all at this point familiar with the class plan and the class plan calendar. But for all intents and purposes for today, we are going to cruise on over here to the right side of our screen to the class content. So understanding art is the unit which we have been working on so far since August, and this is where you are going to access any of your missing work. So over here in class content, you do have some arrows and some different options. For now, I'd like you to just go ahead and click on Understanding Art, and this is going to open a list of work which we have already completed at this point in the year. So if you are missing anything from elements, principles, field trips, or sketchbooks, it can all be accessed directly here from this point. Now, when you do begin catching up, and let's assume that you're catching up from the beginning, so we'll go on over here to 1.02 Elements of Art. We'll click on that content, and you see again that another list pops up. Now, there is only one graded assignment. That's the quiz, and it's indicated by that question mark next to it. These other things are things that you will be reading and completing as practice. So let's click at the top. We always want to start at the top and work our way down on Lesson Introduction, and you'll see that the Lesson Introduction opens up. This is the reading that you will need to do before you complete Quiz 1.02. You can navigate through the reading by using the arrows here at the top of the screen, and it will take you page by page through 1.02. You'll see that the goals for the lesson are the same goals that are reviewed in Class Connect. And as you go through, you'll find that there is a student guide and an Elements of Art PDF, which you can click on and use as a study guide as you're studying Elements of Art. As you proceed through the reading, you will also find very exciting links. You will find short short little examples of things that will point out anything that's important in your reading. Of course, these are visual representations of some of the elements of art. There's a color wheel, there's texture. So don't forget to click on the little arrows and anything that you might see that looks like a link. Some fun things you'll find are definitions. You may even find a little microphone, which when clicked will pronounce the word for you. All right, so you will continue through, remembering to click on anything that you need to as you proceed through the reading. Click on pictures, look at examples, contour lines, applied lines, so on and so forth. And when you get to the end of this reading, you will get to your quiz. Now, let's say that you want to go back and study or do something else when you are when you're done with your reading, or maybe you want to read it twice, that's fine. You can go back up here to Table of Contents, and all the contents for Understanding Art will be listed, so you can go back and read again. You can also go in and complete quizzes through this view. Now, if you're totally lost here on the Table of Contents and this looks new to you, you can also go back to your class home and you can access your materials again from your class content. Okay, good luck catching up, and if you have any questions, please be sure to call Mrs. Trapp. My phone number is 614-300-2766, extension 2046, or you can K-mail me for help at any time. Have a great day.